In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil and reset the engine oil light in a 2017 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter. This video will also work for a 2015 through a 2020 Chevy Suburban. To get started, open the hood, locate the oil cap and the dipstick, remove the oil cap, remove the dipstick, clean it off, insert it back in, then remove it, make sure the oil wasn't too low. Then you can raise the vehicle up, and if you're going to be rotating your tires, the lug nuts are a 22mm and they're torqued to 140 foot-pounds. Remove the drain plug, let the oil drain out. This is a 15mm. Then after the oil is done draining, reinstall the drain plug and then tighten it up. This is the part number for this oil filter. Then locate the oil filter, then use an oil filter wrench to remove it, let it drain out. Then reinstall the new oil filter, then lower the vehicle back down, then fill it up with oil of 8 quarts of 0W20. Then reinstall the oil cap, then start the vehicle, let it run for 5 to 10 seconds. Then check your oil level, make sure it's at the proper level. Then to reset the oil light on this vehicle, turn the ignition on, use your arrow keys, navigate until you see this screen remaining oil life, and then press and hold the check mark until it goes to 100%. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.